Loews, Royal Pacific, club level, 7th floor, kids suite. And this is the only kids suite on this floor. Anyways, we'll get into it. Here's the bathroom. Nice glass shower. Looks pretty nice. 2 shower heads. Nice vanity area. We got storage, the usual. Got the in-the-wall safe, ironing board, extra pillow blanket. Large entryway area. Plenty of place for luggage. And here is the main suite. Artwork, pretty cool lights. It's a pretty amazing view. Amazing view of the pool, the park. I mean, you can really see it all. This is very impressive. City walk's not that far of a walk. We took the boat and we walked it. It's really nice. Nice desk area. Mini fridge, coffee maker supplies, it's a Keurig. Here is what the kids go nuts for. The Jurassic World room. This is awesome. Got the map, Isla Nublar. Nice little desk area for the boys. Got their own closet. They did such a good job with these beds. So cool how they look. Of course, they got a cool view too. But we'll go down to the pool. It's club level, so we'll probably try to get some of that area where you can get some snacks and drinks. And they do, you know, like a light breakfast. They just do all sorts of. They do different things during the day. So in the evening, it'll be drinks. Morning's breakfast, of course, and then they got light refreshments and snacks later on, and I think they have like a dessert hour, something like that. So we'll check that out. Just a quick room tour. We'll get the boys' reaction for them seeing this for the first time. They are gonna be stoked.
What is oh?
What is this? What do you think we should open?
Oh. This is cool. Oh, I didn't.
This is my bed.
My bed!
Oh, these are squishy.
Oh, get them there.
We're here for 2 nights. You guys each get a night in it.
Damn it!
We get our own TV.
We get
You get your own room.
Look at the view, you guys.
Yeah.
We get a sick view.
I didn't expect this. This is way cool.
What do you think?
Wait. Okay, so I just want to point this out. There are speakers.
I wonder what that's about.
Oh.
There's a TV and speakers.
You think those are the speakers for the TV?
Do you see speakers anywhere else? Because I think those are it.
Oh, look, right here. Experience the gyrosphere, the dinos.
These are gyrospheres.